Hey guys, I'm Steve for Disconnect for Adventure. Thank you for joining us for another video. Today we're taking a look at a new chair that was just sent to us from the wonderful people at TCEK. You might have remembered our previous video, which you can watch here in the top left corner, or top right corner, of their portable swivel camping chair that they sent us before. But today we got a new one. This is the SwivelCore low back adjustable height camping chair that they've been so kind to send this to us. Now we did get this free of charge. This is for us to review, but we can say anything we want about it, so let's take a look and see if you like it. Alright, so let me walk you through the setup for this chair. So it comes in a nice travel pouch with a nice sling over the shoulder that makes it easy to carry. It comes with a nice Velcro strap around it, so we'll open that up. One thing I've always liked about these chairs is they're all one piece. There's no multiple pieces to keep track of or to lose or anything else. So basically you do that, you pull out each arm on for the chair, and they're nice and tight for the canvas. So we pull them out, they snap into place like so. Then we undo the last Velcro strap for the legs and open these up. Now this is a height adjustable chair, so it has this nice little pin here at the bottom. So if you've ever, it tackles one of the biggest problems I've always had with camp chairs. So usually I get that pressure on the back of my thigh when you're sitting for a long time in a camp chair. This allows you to fix that. So depending on your height, you could just turn this knob and adjust the height of the legs. It's not a quick adjustment, but once you dial it in, it'll add for like maximum comfort while you're sitting in the chair. So with the new TCEK, this is the SwivelCore low back chair. It's a higher back than the previous camping chair, their camping swivel chair, which makes it nice. The camp swivel chair is nice for smaller people. It's nice when you're camping. It's nice, it's more compact and portable, but when you want more comfort and you're a bigger person, this new chair design is fantastic. So what are the differences? Well, this chair can swivel 180 degrees for hanging out with your friends and family, talking and such, watching sports. It's great. I love taking it to soccer games because you can spin and watch the whole field at once. And then when you get up, it comes back to center. So even if it's off, you let go, it springs back to center. The old one goes 360 degrees, but there's no swivel either. So wherever you get up, it's going to stay. So that's one of the key differences. And like I said before, I really like the height adjustable feature because I can get that pressure off the bottom of my legs, which I have problems with. I'm not the tallest guy, I'm 5'9", so I've always had problems with chairs in the past, digging into my leg after a long period of time. This new design uses the same aircraft aluminum construction as the smaller one. It's built to last. This core is heavy duty, it's not going to break on you. And like it's got that snap feature where it comes back to center. And again, the height adjustability on it, fantastic. This chair is going to last many years to come. This chair is built with a nice strong nylon construction. Everything is double stitched, very tight and sturdy, like you'd expect from a nice camping chair. There's this nice pocket that you could either stick a drink or cell phone or anything you'd like on the side, which is a nice addition to it and makes it more usable. One other feature I forgot to mention, which I have seen on the side here, is they have these little hook straps, so you can easily clip carabiners on here to hang whatever you'd like off the side. It just makes for a nice little addition. Again, anything that adds utility to a product I like. So for the portable camp chair, this one weighs 3.55 pounds, while the new one weighs 4.7 pounds. Honestly, when carrying the difference between the two of them, it doesn't really make a difference. I find that the new bag is much more comfortable on your shoulder and the shoulder strap carrying it, so it makes it easier to take for long distances. I still would not consider either of these like a backpacking chair. They're too heavy for backpacking. I would not want to carry this in a pack unless you have a lot of extra space or you're not going very far. There's different options on the market for a lightweight chair that would be better. But as far as like actual camp chair, whether you're car camping or you're going to baseball, soccer, whatever games, these work fantastic and they're our chair of choice. Let's talk about negatives. I really don't have any negatives to this one. The only thing that I will note that if you're at the beach and sand, the feet will sink in a little bit. And it's the same with the camp portable chair, but these chairs really aren't designed for sand. They're designed for everything but sand, and they work great in everything but sand. But that pretty much goes with any camp chair on the market. If you put it in sand, it's going to sink. So overall, very happy with this product. This comes in 5 different colors. This is the gray model. It's a light gray, kind of almost a whitish gray, which I really enjoy. And it just adds a good contrast to it. But anyways, if you like this chair or you want to see more information about it, there's a link in the description below. We do get a little bit back on it if you use the link through Amazon. But yeah, that would help the channel out if you could. If not, no problem either. And a link to their website will be down in the description as well. TCEK, again, links in the description below. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.